This is the new manufacturing facility for GFT Indonesia Investment in Ngawi, East Java. WEnergy Global has successfully installed a world-class 830 kilowatt peak rooftop solar PV system here, powering one of the region's largest and most advanced toy production plants. From the ground up, every detail matters. Our team managed the logistics and installation, ensuring every high-quality component was handled with care. Our certified engineering and installation teams work with precision and a steadfast commitment to safety, ensuring a quality build for an international industry leader. This solar PV system is set to generate over 1.1 million kilowatt-hours of clean electricity in its first year. It reduces GFT's carbon footprint by 864 metric tons each year, and is set to supply up to 30% of the facility's electricity needs, a major stride in their sustainable manufacturing journey. The successful partnership was celebrated at the project inauguration. GFT leadership highlighted that this project reflects their long-term commitment to sustainable manufacturing. At WEnergy Global, we are proud to deliver reliable, high-impact solar assets. Together, we are building a cleaner, more sustainable future for Indonesian industry.